Hello YouTubers, it's your boy Cap, back with a new video finally. But took a little while, but I am going to hopefully upload content more frequently now. But as always, we're doing a rebuilding video with the Atlanta Hawks. So first thing we're gonna do, make some trades to get rid of all of these high paid players we have on this roster. First guy we're gonna move is Paul Millsap. Because he's on a 1-year deal, so let's get something for him, and then maybe we can re-sign him down the line. I guess is the way I look at it. That's a good trade. A first rounder is a good thing for a rebuild because they're good trade assets. Ooh, I do like that trade too. Oh, there's the trade we're gonna make right there. Thaddeus Young and Miles Turner for Gary Neal and Paul Millsap. But we're making this trade because of Miles Turner's an 83 overall, but he's only getting $2.46 million, and he'll be on the roster for the whole rebuild. And Thaddeus Young, we can move. He's got decent trade value. Paul Millsap, have fun in Indiana, and welcome to Atlanta, Miles Turner. So now we got one of the cornerstone pieces that we're going to build around. Now we need to get rid of Dwight Howard. $23 million a year to play alongside somebody is not worth it. And we get a first rounder from them. Ooh, that's expensive. Lots of teams want to give up a center for him. Cody's not seeing much. I might have to put a trade together myself. Oh, that's not bad. Backup center and Derrick Rose. They want to send Paul Millsap back. Maybe that. Oh, and a first rounder though. Andre Drummond. Oh man, I like the idea of that. We might come back to that one. That's a great. Ooh, a first rounder. Oh man, there's a lot of deals I like. So either I can take a first rounder and try to move Anderson, or I can get Andre Drummond. See Drummond, he will be here the whole time. I want to see his potential rating before I. Let's do Ryan Anderson and try to move him, because I do like the idea of a first rounder. And he wouldn't be bad to play alongside Miles Turner anyways. So now that we've made that trade, we're going to move Ryan Anderson first. But as you guys know, 3-year rebuild. Standard now is going to be 3-year rebuilds, not 5. That video was way too long. I do apologize for that. Hopefully this one will be a lot shorter. I kind of like that trade. Just because it sheds some salary. And that's the goal right now. Alright, I think I'm going to make this trade next. No. Never mind. Kyle Korver and J.R. Smith will be on the roster next. I'm destroying team chemistry. Not intentionally, but that's just how it kind of works. Schroeder will keep you for right now. Thad Young, you're next. as I do these rebuilds, you guys will probably catch a trend that I'm a very much a believer in getting young when you start to get old and building around a core of young pieces. And I'll just make trades and I'll get worse for a while. Teams are offering me these first rounders to pick up their huge salary guys. So Evan Turner in a first rounder. That's 2019. 18. 18. Well, I'm kind of doing a salary dump myself. See, I'm dropping salary here. Ooh, man. Alright. What do the Pelicans offer? Hopefully we can move Solomon Hill. Okay, J.R. Smith is next. And sometimes 2K gets really slow. Makes this stuff take forever. Ooh, TJ McConnell. Neto, I usually love getting him. Shabazz Muhammad in the second rounder. I might take that because the second rounder is a nice piece to have. I'm going to come back. I'll come back for that trade. I'm going to do this one. We're going to get TJ McConnell, Nick Stauskas for J.R. Smith and Chris Humphries. As our chemistry is 14%. Okay. Cephalosha. No, we'll move Bazemore next. High paid player. 15 million a year to sit on the bench on our roster. No thanks. Salary dump trade. Where you at? Nobody wants to do the salary dump trade. I'll probably do this one. Oh, I can't remove anybody. Where are they at? Rockets. We'll make this trade. Beverly and Brewer are a lot easier to move. Beverly. See what we can get for Patrick Beverly. Dang, this video is going to end up being long because there's a lot of moves to redo this team. Holy cow. Maybe I'll probably do the Withy trade. Just because he is cheap and I get a pick from it. No, I'll not do the typical dump all my picks. Ideal to rebuild. Bring in Jeff Withy. Welcome to the squad, my dude. Alright. Now we need to find a place for a lot of guys still. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Try to get a deal for all three of these guys. Ooh. I like that. I like that. Bring it in. Blockbuster and the whole thing. See if I've gotten rid of everybody I want to. And let's see if we can get rid of Tiago, Cephalosha together. Probably can't. No, we're not going to make that move. So that'll be it for moves, I think. We got some pieces. So much we have a crazy amount of players at one position. We have 0 power forwards. Okay. Mike Dunleavy, Thiago Splitter. Let's see if we can get something for him, those two. Just to hold down the fort. Trebanco. You know, we're just going to sign Yi in free agency. Alright. Now it's time to fix our player rotations. Rajon Rondo's not even going to play. Okay, so we'll real quick see what we can get for Schroeder. I prefer to have a guy like D'Angelo Russell compared to him, but I don't think he's good enough to make that move. As 2K is taking forever. Hopefully it did not freeze. Okay. First rounder, Middleton, Jordan. Here, we'll see if we can make that. I don't think we'll be able to put the pieces together. Ooh. Who are they overpaying? A whole lot of guys, actually. Gosh dang it, Nick Young has player or trade value now. Tark Black, send him over. Alright, never mind. Alright, so this is the roster for year 1. I will see you at the end of the year. Here we are at the end of year 1. LeBron is your MVP. Ben Simmons Rookie of the Year. Brandon Knight 6th Man. LeBron Defensive Player of the Year. Jokic Most Improved. Coach of the Year is Tyronn Lue. All NBA teams. Don't think there's going to be anybody from Atlanta. But, you know, we'll check. I'll tell you, during the middle of the year, I did make a move. And I traded for, where'd he go? Chris Dunn. He is my new mainstay point guard. And, you know, he's going to be a piece I'm going to try to build around as we continue on here. But we did not make the playoffs, as you can see. 33-49 record. I tried to lose more than I did. Like, I wanted to lose, you know, only win about 10-15 games, but couldn't hold it back that far. So, I'll catch you in the off season. Well, I guess I'll let you see who wins the title the first year. And it's the Cavs. LeBron, your MVP. And I will catch you about the draft. Here we are at the end of the draft. As you see, I picked Lauri Markkanen, if that's how you pronounce his name, with the 8th pick. VJ Beacham late in the 2nd round, and Jared Allen we traded for. Traded 1 pick, I guess, and got him. So we're going to accept all of these players. We're at team player options. Obviously, we're going to retain both those guys. And both those guys. I think I'm going to retain him. We have to release him later on. We're not keeping Rajon Rondo. And we'll go to qualifying offers. Obviously, we're going to send it to Hardaway. Hardaway. And his money got even higher since we last talked to him. They tried to re-sign him in the middle of the year. Jinlin wants money now. Rajon Rondo, minimum 4 years. Heck yeah. We'll offer him that. No bird rights on any of those guys either. I think we're going to need to find another direction to go. Durant, obviously we're going to offer him. We can give him a no trade. He'll come. Blake Griffin, definitely offer him. Kind of need a shooting guard. What's Redick? 18 mil. What's it? Yeah, we'll definitely sign Hardaway then. Kyle Korver. Bring him back for a couple of years, hopefully. We do need a small forward, but I'm hoping we can potentially pull Durant. Let's look. We're ways down. We are ways down. Wow. That is not a good sign. We'll try to get Otto Porter. It's Randolph on 8. It's a little bit too much for me. See if we can get anybody. Rajon Rondo. Steph Curry is still out there though. We'll offer him a contract. Still can't get him. Curry and Griffin are now off the table. There's just really nothing I need right now. Maybe we'll sign him to a 1-year deal. Otto Porter. Oh wow. That's actually... Oh. Okay. That was gone as soon as it came. What's Iggy cost? We need a small forward. I'm gonna do 1 year Rudy Gay. I think 1 year Rudy Gay put us in the playoffs. Alright. So that's all for now. I'll catch you at the end of year 2. I'm gonna have to cut a couple people. But see you then. I just wanted to update you. I just got an offer from my 3 guys that aren't going to play. From Malik Beasley, who has a good potential rating, and a first-round pick. And as I need to trim the roster down, that is by far and away the best deal we are going to see. Welcome to the team, Malik Beasley. And now I will catch you at the end of the year unless something else crazy like that happens. Here we are at the end of year 2. LeBron, MVP again. Markelle Fultz, Rookie of the Year. Cameron Payne, 6th Man of the Year. Karl-Anthony Towns, Defensive Player and Most Improved. Coach of the Year, Steve Kerr. All NBA teams. I don't think we'll have anybody on these yet. Hopefully next year will be the year when we break out. But we'll see. I don't think we'll have anybody on these either, as we didn't play our young guys really. So, as you can see, or you might have seen, we did make the playoffs, and here's our roster. Miles Turner's turning into a beast. Rudy Gay, probably be gone at the end of the year. And Chris Dunn is turning into a complete animal. But we played Cleveland in the first round as we barely snuck in. We played incredible basketball in the second half. We're up 3-1. Oh, come on. We're going to blow a 3-1 lead. Oh, man, we did it in 7. I don't think we have the gas to keep doing this. Yep, that'll probably... Oh. And that's it. So we did make it to the second round. Portland wins it all. That was an interesting end of the year. But I will catch you at the draft, as I do have a bunch more picks, and I'll probably make a lot of moves as we're going into our last season, so I need some superstars to build around. Here we are at team player options, as we accept everyone, because we need them all back. And it doesn't look like a whole lot of guys are coming out to free agency, which is not good for us, as we do need a lot of pieces. Nobody is going to re-sign right away. Nice. Okay, Paul George, #1 target. Max deal, no trade, player option. Where are we at? There we go. We're gonna get Paul George. Let's get it. We also need a shooting guard. We're gonna offer Rodney Hood a lot of money. Zach LaVine, a lot of money. What else do we need? I don't think we really need a power forward. We'll offer Julius Randle. Nah. See what we can sign. Zach LaVine accepts another offer. Paul George, still #1. Welcome to the team, Paul George. That was the piece we needed. Because now you can see our rosters: George, Turner, Powell, Hardaway, done as a starting lineup. I think I'm going to go try to get a new shooting guard to pair with these two, and a new power forward probably. Because we have tons of trade assets, tons of picks. We are ready to start making those moves. I will just update you as I make those moves, but I truly believe we're going to win a title this year. Here we are, trade deadline, and we're going to make a trade right now for Tim Hardaway, sending him for Devin Booker, who's an upgrade, and Eric Bledsoe, who will be another guy off the bench. Right now we are just making moves to become the most top-heavy team we can. So I think I'm going to trade Bledsoe in 2 picks. See if we can get anything else. Not getting anything. See if we try these picks. We have so many picks. Oh my gosh. I wish I could find a team that would just take 6 picks for a superstar. Just cannot get another piece. I will update you if I find another trade. I'm trying to get another star. Here we are at the end of year 3. Durant is your MVP. Dwayne Haywood is Rookie of the Year. Cameron Payne, 6th Man of the Year. Defensive Player of the Year, Kawhi Leonard. Kyle Anderson is Most Improved. Ryan Hamilton is the Coach of the Year. James Harden, well, I guess I don't need to read this. You guys can read this and pause it. Do whatever you want. See if we have anybody. Still no. Figured by the end of this year we would have had somebody. Oh, Chris Dunn, all defensive second team. There you go. Alright, so now we're ready for the playoffs. You can see with the 4 seed, 51-31, not bad. But now it comes down to who can we win the finals now. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, we're gonna go. Make sure we have a good game plan. Alright. Maybe we will extend the bench one person, see if we can get some magic back, because we are backs against the wall. I can't believe with this roster we aren't going to run away with a freaking playoff series. We have 290 overalls on our starting lineup. Don't play anyone below an 83. Let's do it with Simcast. Looks like we might run away with it for a second, and we fall behind. Oh my gosh. We're going to lose. We are going to lose. We were just eliminated in the first round with an 80 overall roster. Oh my gosh. Alright, well that's the end of this video. I guess I'll simulate the rest of the way. I cannot believe we were eliminated like that. Blows my mind. Oh, Warriors win. Catch y'all tomorrow with the next vid.